Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Printify to WooCommerce for custom product uploads. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Printify account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. Next, log into your WooCommerce dashboard. Ensure that your WooCommerce store is set up and running smoothly. Now, navigate to the Printify dashboard. Look for the option that says Manage My Stores. Click on Add New Store. Select WooCommerce from the list of platforms. You'll be prompted to connect your WooCommerce store. To do this, copy the API keys from your WooCommerce settings. Head over to your WooCommerce dashboard and go to WooCommerce followed by Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Advanced tab. Select REST API from the drop-down options. Click on Add Key. Name your key and set permissions to read/write. Once you've saved the key, copy the generated consumer key and secret key. Return to Printify and paste the consumer key and secret key in the provided fields. After entering the keys, click Connect. Printify will authenticate your WooCommerce store. Once connected, you will see your store listed in the Printify dashboard. Now, you can start creating custom products on Printify. Select a product you want to customize from the Printify catalog. Edit the product details, upload your designs, and set pricing. After finalizing the product, click Save Product. You will then have the option to publish the product directly to your WooCommerce. Review your product settings and click on Publish. Your custom product will now be live on your WooCommerce store. You can manage your products through both Printify and WooCommerce. For any future updates, simply return to Printify and edit your products as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Printify to WooCommerce for custom product uploads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.